Hey, I'm Travis, and welcome to The Legends. This is out in Kansas City, Kansas. It's an outlet mall. They've got some of the best stores out here. We've got Coach right behind me, Kate Spade around the corner, Michael Kors, Polo, you name it, they've got it. So let's head on in for a shopping spree and meet me in my closet to see what we scored. Oh, blooper. Alright guys, we just finished our shopping spree. We only got to hit up Coach because I didn't realize on Sunday everything around here closes at 6. So sorry Kate, and sorry MK, I'll be back though. But we got tons of stuff to go over and something I'm really excited about, which I'm not going to open up the bags until we get to the closet, but I got this beautiful Coach bangle. Digging through their drawers, found this one. It's a collapsible, it has a collapse, and it allows it so I can actually get it on my wrist. But look at the beauty of that in the sun. I wish it was rose gold. This is standard gold, so it's not going to match my watch as well. But I mean, that's a pretty close comparison. Anyways, let's head home and go through some of these bags. All right, bye. Hey guys, finally we're in my closet. Hey buddy. And let's go through our haul video. I ended up hitting up Dillard's on the way home because they were still open and got tons more stuff. So let's get straight into it. Do you want to help me? You want to help me? Oh. All right, sit right here, buddy. Which one first? Which one first? He's gonna sniff out the one that we want to do first. That one? Okay, good choice. All right, I'm only gonna do that once because that's not gonna happen again. Oh, I'm sorry, buddy. This isn't for you, but I did bring some snacks in here. And we're gonna act like the snack was already in the bag. What's in the bag? Oh, tissue paper. We don't need that. What's in the bag? A cookie. Oh, good boy. All right, so receipts. We don't need that. Oh my gosh. Ladies and gentlemen, look at this one. This is from Coach. And I'm not going to be going fully over every item. I'm just going to be showing them real quick because I'm going to do individual reviews for all of these items. Well, most of them. The ones I don't, I'll get a little bit more detailed into. But this is item number 1. And we will set it right there. And let's see. Item number 2. Oh, I'm so glad they put these in the same bag. This is item number 2. We've got Coach with bananas. It zips closed. It's a cute little wristlet. And it even, well, I've got big wrists. But it's a cute wristlet with bananas. This is all, by the way, Coach outlet. So they have some amazing deals going on right now. I'm not going to mention what they are or the prices because I never like to, because you could always find better deals and better prices if you're a better hunter than me. But we've got that. So let's lay that up front. Can we see that? Yeah. Let's put that off to the side and get another cookie. Shh. Okay. All right, we can't go Coach to Coach. So what do you think of this Dooney bag, Gunner? What do you think of this Dooney bag? Look. You want this Dooney bag? We want to open this Dooney bag. Yeah. This is the next one. Good boy, Gunner. Good boy. But don't think you're going to get a snack every time. All right, let's see what Dooney gave us. Or, I wish they were giving it to us. Let's see what I got at Dooney today. Oh my gosh, I forgot all about this. Look at this bag. This is called, let me see if I can see what it's called. It's called a letter carrier, which I think is a very cute name for this nylon bag. This is going to be a crossbody, and it is so beautiful, and it's got the classic duck for Dooney. So we've got the Dooney. it kind of widens at the bottom to be a little bit thicker, but it's not too thick. It's just a cute crossbody. And it's got this buckled front, which I really love, because a lot of the Dooney crossbodies, the little bags like this right now, don't have anything to break up the front. It's just, well, here, perfect example. It looks like this with the duck logo. And that's a little boring. So they gave us this, which is just absolutely gorgeous. It's got these big loops on the sides before the crossbody strap starts. But like I said, not too much of a review. This is a haul video. So we'll put that up there. And I'm not going to ask Gunner what goes next because we're going to fatten him up on snacks. So we're not going to do that. But let's see. Let's go for Coach again and see what we've got in here. Oh my gosh. Guys and girls, I could not help myself. Look at this. I don't even know what it is. It is just beauty. It is, let's see what they call it. One size fits all. What are you called? You're so beautiful. You are called a birch. A gray birch. So let me slide this out of frame for a second. Or actually, that's still in frame. Let me slide forward. And my idea with this is going to be to try to tie somewhat of a gentleman's tie. Now, I'm not going to do it in 5 seconds on tape, but to tie somewhat of a gentleman's tie and maybe get away with wearing this. What do you think? Tell me down in the comments. I mean, I'm going to do what I want, but you tell me what you think. If that was tucked up underneath my collar and done right and straightened. This is one of the items I'm probably not going to do a full review on unless I find a really cute way of wearing it with the right outfit. But as it is now, this birch is white on one side and it is gray on the other with the signature C for Coach. And it is just too pretty to pass up. I mean, I don't know what to do with it, but is it beautiful or what? Okay, let's lay that out like that. No, let's not have the tag up. Let's lay that like that. And, oh, sorry, buddy. Did I step on you? Or sit on you? Or bother you in some way? Oh, there's still goodies in here to be had. Okay, let's jump into this, because this is an odd item. They gave this to me for like $10 and change. And the reason why it's odd is because it is not 2019. They don't know where it came from. They found it. They have no idea. So they sold it to me for $10 and change. Holiday 2019. Now, for those of you that are not aware, which I only found out just recently, but in a lot of parts of the country, vacations are called going on holiday. So it's not saying like a specific holiday. This is saying vacation. So you put this on your luggage or whatever. It's not a luggage tag. I mean, it's shaped like one, but it doesn't have a spot to put your information. But, I mean, tell the world, I'm on holiday. So we've got that. And, you know what? We don't need the tag because we just don't. So we'll put that right there for our haul. Oh, buddy. I'm going to give you another cookie because I keep bumping you. You want a cookie? You want a cookie? Yeah, good boy. All right, let's jump into whatever this is in Dillard's. I forgot what I got at Dillard's, so... Oh, you know what? That's not true. I got some face masks. I've been looking for legitimate, non-knockoff face masks. I'm not going to buy a Gucci face mask from Etsy. I'm really glad that a lot of people are getting excited and they're starting to make them. But here on WTMC, we only do authentic products. You'll only ever see me do a product that's a knockoff to show signs of what to look for on knockoffs. And that might be in the future. and I will make it extremely clear that this is not a real XYZ. But I wanted to find some face masks, and I'm going to do an in-depth review on these. But these are being sold exclusively at Dillard's, and they're made by... okay, well, now I'm going to pull one out. Oh, well. Let's see here. They are made by Anna and Ava. Anna and Ava is a designer company that exclusively made these masks for Dillard's. Now, when you go there, not all of their employees know where to find them. At my particular Dillard's, they were located at the watch counter. So, I don't know. There were some others, and they're done by a lingerie company, and they were actually in the women's lingerie / underwear department. And I didn't get those because even though they are made by a designer company, they were very lame. And I'm not going to throw which company it was under the bus, but they were definitely not something worth buying. Okay, these, once again, Anna and Ava, are adjustable. And at the top, there's a wire so it can bend. And I'm already doing a review because that's what I love to do. But I'm not going to do a review on it. I've just got a couple of different colors. We'll lay them out here and continue with the haul. The black, you can understand what that is. I'm starting to get a little full on my table here. So the black will go back in the bag. You know what? No. Do it like I always do it. Alright. This is the... I don't like using terms such as female or male. But this is the feminine. We'll say that because I wear a lot of things feminine. And this is the masculine brand. In here, you've got 3 different choices. And if you want to get a better look at them, here in a day or so, I'll be releasing my review video on these face masks. So we will set them somewhere. I'm running out of room already, and it's a big haul. Right there. Okay. Anything else in Dillard's? Oh my gosh, yes. Okay, so Coach, which is the umbrella company of Kate Spade, got an exclusive contract this year to only make cases for iPhones. Now, I'm an Android user, and I don't hate either way. I'm glad there's competition out there. Competition is really good for the consumer. However, Coach and Kate Spade now only make cases, phone cases, for iPhones. It breaks my heart. It really does, because I really, really wanted this year's phone model in Galaxies to have Kate Spade cases. But they've done a workaround. This is a stickable card holder. Wait for that review. And I now need to add it to my haul pile, and it's on the ground. Well, you saw it, but it's not going to go in the haul video. You'll see my review on that. We'll talk all about it. Oh, another charm. This charm is so adorable. This charm, ugh, Coach, you make me swoon. Look at this charm. It's a cute little bear, and it's in rose gold. Isn't that just the cutest thing? So that's going in the pile. All right. What's next? We just did Coach, and we're down to 1 Coach and 1 Michael Kors. So let's see what we got at Michael Kors. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, the slow reveal. I can't. My voice is going out. La 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 la. Look look at this. This is a beautiful crossbody. I don't know the name of it, but we'll go over that when I review it. But it's kind of like almost a messenger bag. It's pretty large. And look at that. Michael Kors for the win. I was a little disappointed because I didn't realize that Legends closed early. I already said it in the video, but Legends closed early. And I missed going to Michael Kors. And I got to go to Dillard's and still get my Michael Kors fix. So this will proudly be displayed right there. And I'm going to kind of lay these face masks over here. And let's wrap up. Do you think it's cookie time? Do you think it's cookie time? Do you want a cookie? Do you want a cookie? Oh, it's cookie time. All right. What is this? I don't need this. Okay. One last cookie for the monster. Good boy, Gunner. Good boy. All right. I need you to get down. All right. Get down. All right. Thank you, buddy. Okay. Here's our last unboxing for the haul. Oh, just what I always wanted for Christmas. A new pair of socks. Excuse me. If you saw my video the other day, I took my existing Coach socks and I turned them into a face mask. I found out that it's a little warm for the summer, but it's going to keep my face nice and toasty during the winter. But I also needed to replace my socks. So we have everybody's favorite Christmas gift once you turn past, I don't know, early 20s. You get socks before that and you're like, Santa? Santa? And then afterwards, you're like, well, thank you, Santa. I love socks. So we'll kind of half cover the face masks. And let's see what else we got. Oh, I don't know if I saved the best for last or not. But check this out. This is a cool little Coach pouch. Oh, I've got it upside down. This is a cool little Coach pouch. And it's got a carabiner clip. And it's got this double snap clip. So you can put it on your belt. Or you can put it on the back of a backpack that has those little strap. You know what I'm talking about. Anyways, you can put it. It's even got a clip right here. So, I don't know. Maybe you want to rock your awesome charm on your awesome little bag that is connected to your bigger bag. Look at that. All right. That's our haul for August. Ta-da! I'm sorry, I'm so giggly. I'm just so happy because this is going to be a lot of my material for the 2020 August reviews. And so anything that looks interesting to you here in the next following weeks, I will be reviewing these products. All right, thanks for hanging out with me. I'm Travis, and welcome to my closet. Bye. Oh, blooper.